I'm right here at the Spice Garden, and I thought I'd take a look around once again at the Spice Garden. I did a short tour of this in my previous video of Fort Canning, so I'll link the card right above, so go and check it out. But this video, I'll try to take a closer look at the Spice Garden, which was actually opened this year, 2022, to introduce the various spices that is unique to this area. So let's check it out. Okay, about 50 meters away from the Spice Garden. Yeah, I did not realize that there is such a spot here at Fort Canning. So this may be one of Singapore's earliest archaeological dig site, backdating to about 14th century. So those of you who happen to be in the area, do not miss this area. This is just about 50 meters away from the Spice Garden, just up the hill, just a tiny bit. So come and check this out, it's really cool. Let me show you guys what they have around this area. Yeah, I know, it seems pretty small, but to a country like Singapore with such a limited space around here, this is big, trust me. It goes way back to 14th century. To us, it's big. Anyway, that was the archaeological dig. Now back to the Spice Garden. Well, if you ask me, I think I'll call Southeast Asia the region of spices. Why? Because there are simply too many spices to remember all of them. So these are the 4 most common spices I think you can find in Singapore. I know the first one, turmeric. It is used in a lot of Indian foods. Clove, okay, a clove. My mom liked to use them in braised duck. So I know this because my mom uses it all the time. It's used in a lot of Chinese food. Nutmeg, I have not used this a lot, or rather eaten a lot of food with this. Same with this. Honestly, I have no idea what is this.